Professor Butler Award goes to Professor K.K. Agarwal. Professor K.K. Agarwal is a person who has done extraordinary job in promoting the cardiovascular activity in India. He's the president of the Indian Heart Foundation and a president of the Preventive. He is really a futuristic man, and I think it's very nice that people from here gave him this award. And this award is very suitable award. Yeah. It's a very befitting award because Professor Butler believes in preventive cardiology, and he is a Health Canada boss.
Thank you, Chairpersons, distinguished colleagues. You might be a little bit confused by seeing at the topic Savitri Mantra. What is mantra going to do with the medical profession? And then wearing a stethoscope, that means that mantra is from Vedic language, but the talk is scientific. In India, we have 240,000 people every year who die suddenly. And we have seen in the morning statistics that in 2017, India will have maximum number of deaths will be from sudden cardiac death. 75% of them die before reaching the hospital. In India, defibrillators are not a must, it's not a policy. We don't have defibrillators in malls, except for airlines we don't have. So the only answer is general public learning the basics of cardiopulmonary resuscitation. I started this teaching of CPR 25 years back, but failed. At that time, there was mouth-to-mouth resuscitation, there was chest compressions, and people were not willing to do that. Couple of years back, the concept came of compression-only CPR, that you only do a chest compression, and specifically for the public, they can revive lives. And that started, again I got interested in this subject. Then I started reading mythology. Was this chest compression-only CPR available in our Indian mythology or not? I read Chandogya Upanishad, which defined death. The Chandogya Upanishad says that when there is a death in the body, the karmendriya, that is my motor sensory organs, they first gets frozen. They get merged with manovritti, which is jnanendriya, and that merges with prana. Prana is my respiration, and that merges with tej, which is my temperature, and that merges with sat, which is my consciousness, and then consciousness leaves the body. But this sentence I got from Chandogya Upanishad, that means the consciousness cannot leave the body till the body temperature is more than 95, and then that gets frozen. And that correlates with our scientific modern knowledge that it is possible to revive a person even after cardiac arrest. And the thing is that for the next 10 minutes after cardiac arrest, the consciousness does not leave the body. Then I started reading about Savitri Satyavan. The story about Savitri Satyavan, the story goes like that. Savitri wanted to get married to Satyavan, who probably was declared that he is going to die suddenly. That means he was at risk of sudden cardiac death. She still got married, and she decided that she is going to stay with him all the time. And when Yamraj came, he had an episode of sudden cardiac arrest. She fought with Yamraj and revived him. Probably it was chest-only compression-only CPR at that time. Probably. There could not have been anything else. The origin of chest-only compression CPR came from Savitri Satyavan's story. Therefore, I created this, how to teach people. I'm only going to tell what model I'm using to teach people. And in the last 1 year, I have trained over 90,000 people. Hands-only CPR, that means one-to-one. I have 1,500 such dummies, and I take them to school, colleges, everywhere, and teach them. What model I have used, I'm going to tell you. My model is, I created a Savitri mantra. I call them as a Savitri Yagna, Savitri Yagya, and I teach a Savitri mantra which says, I'm going to narrate in Hindi and English both. Savitri mantra I created is, मरने के 10 मिनट के अंदर earlier the better, कम से कम 10 मिनट तक longer the better, 10 into 10 100 per minute की स्पीड से अपनी छाती पीटने के बदले मरे हुए आदमी की छाती पीटो. What happens in India is that whenever somebody dies, we start beating our chest. Hi Ram, mere chhore ne bachao. Why are you beating your chest? Beat the chest of the person who is dead, and you will be able to revive the person. That means within 10 minutes of death, earlier the better. At least for the next 10 minutes, longer the better. Compress the center of the chest continuously and effectively with a speed of 10 into 10, that is 100 per minute. This is called formula of 10. 10, 10, 10, 10. Within 10 minutes, for the next 10 minutes, 10 into 10 with a speed of 100 per minute. With this formula, we went to the schools and colleges and started teaching them. So we first created a CPR asana. We says, make the dead victim lie on the floor, then sit on CPR asana. Asana is a posture, and everybody knows yoga is very popular in India. So I have added Savitri Yoga. And Savitri Yoga is, sit down on your knees. And then we created in our yoga, in our Indian traditional dance, there is mudra. So I created Savitri Mudra. Savitri Mudra is both the hands with elbow straight like this. This is Savitri Mudra. Then astrology is very common in India, and we have houses in astrology. So we created a house here in between the two chests. So Savitri Asana, Savitri Mudra, and with the heel, put it on the Savitri house, and then start compressing with a speed of 100 per minute. That's the only thing I'm teaching to general public. That whenever there is a person, if you suspect a person is dead, not breathing, make him lie down on the floor, sit on a CPR asana, do CPR mudra, keep your hand on the CPR house, and do CPR action. Just start compressing, nothing else. And after 2 minutes, you can have somebody else who takes over the position. So this mantra, when I created, I started getting success stories. Every week I'm getting a success story. Somebody is coming forward and says, I've been able to save somebody at home. And then I started analyzing, is my mantra, is my language correct or not? We took a sample survey of 1,000 people, and after 3 months, we went to them and asked them, what is CPR mantra? What is Savitri mantra? 90% of them recalled that what was being taught to them after 3 months. And 90% of them remembered the only word, apni chhati peetne ke badle uski chhati peeto. Bole aapne kuch to, you told something like this. And 60% of them remembered exact wording of CPR mantra. So when we created a language, apni chhati peetne ke badle uski chhati peeto, in India, probably it is working, and people are remembering that, and people are and we are getting one success story every week. I'm going to show you a small video. मरने के 10 मिनट के अंदर earlier the better, कम से कम 10 मिनट तक longer the better, 10 into 10 100 पर मिनट की स्पीड से अपनी छाती पीटने के बदले मरे हुए इंसान की छाती पीटो.
मेरा नाम हर्षिता गुप्ता, मैं 16 इयर्स की हूँ. मैं बिरला विद्या निकेतन में हूँ. 1 नवंबर को डॉक्टर के अग्रवाल हमारे स्कूल में आए थे. उन्होंने परफेक्ट हेल्थ मेला कंडक्ट किया था, जहाँ पे उन्होंने हमें सिखाया था जब किसी को हार्ट अटैक आ जाए तो उसको कैसे फर्स्ट एड ट्रीट करना चाहिए. हमारे पास सिर्फ 10 मिनट होते हैं, उसी के अंदर अगर हम कुछ कर जाएं तो वो इंसान बच सकता है. उन्होंने हमें पंपिंग करने का तरीका बताया था. देन ऑन 9 नवंबर मेरे अंकल जब घर आए रात को 9:30 बजे, उन्हें वो सांस नहीं ले पा रहे थे एंड वो फिर बेहोश हो गए और नीचे गिर गए. फिर हम लोग जब वहाँ पे पहुँचे, हमने देखा वो सांस भी नहीं ले रहे थे. ही वॉज वो बिल्कुल भी कुछ भी रिस्पॉन्स नहीं कर रहे थे. फिर मैंने मेरे को ध्यान आया, डॉक्टर अग्रवाल ने हमें कहा था कि ऐसे सडन डेथ्स जो होते हैं वो सबसे ज़्यादातर हार्ट अटैक्स की वजह से ही हो सकते हैं। फिर मैंने उनका हार्ट पंप करना स्टार्ट करा। 5-6 मिनट पंप करने के बाद वो एकदम से उठ गए, उन्हें एकदम जैसे किसी ने शॉक लगाया, वो एकदम से उठ गए। फिर हमने उन्हें हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट करा दिया और उनका एंजियोप्लास्टी हार्ट ऑपरेशन हुआ और अब वो बिल्कुल ठीक है। हम डॉक्टर के अग्रवाल के बहुत आभारी हैं, सिर्फ उन्हीं की वजह से हम अपने अंकल को वापस पा पाए हैं। धन्यवाद।
So there are many success stories. We get one success story every week. Somebody comes forward and calls up and says, we have been able to revive a life. And then we started, we created a tune in the phone, like a ringtone, which talks about how to save a life. And we are using it to schools and colleges, and many people in the phones are using this particular phone. And then we started sensitizing the VIPs, the politicians everywhere, that they should give a pose while doing it. If they can do it, why can't the general public do it? So ladies and gentlemen, the only purpose is that it is possible to create a campaign. If I want to do a health campaign, it has to be locally, it has to be catered to the local needs in a local language, in a language people can understand. And the word Savitri Mantra, Savitri Asan and Savitri Mudra has created an impact, and I have been able to train 90,000 people in the last 1 year, and I aims to train 1% of the population in the city of Delhi, because I feel that's the minimum critical mass, and if I cross the critical mass, the message will spread like rapid fire. Thank you very much.